Danny, have you got a mascot?
Yeah, now... It's a tortoise. Now, you know I'm not a scientist, Jim, right, but...
Thanks for clarifying.
Just, you know, like, these fascinate me, these things, right? Now, I don't know if it's true or not, but I heard, like, their shell, you can shoot it, right? Whack it with an hammer, won't break it, chucks his little nut in. You couldn't eat it, but if you flip it over like that, it dies. Like, within half hour, it gets all stressed out, can't deal with it, right? So if a fox come along, a little clever fox, just flipped it over, give it half hour, cooking time, and then it could munch it out of a bowl. I'm hoping...
It's the only animal that serves itself.
I'm hoping... I feel sorry for it in a way. I think God's a liberty. If he's created a creature you cannot penetrate, but if you flip it over, it's fact. You know, I'm fascinated by him, so that's my little lucky thing. Look at it. Weird-looking thing. I'll just plot it there, or is it going to wind people up?
Yeah, it's getting on mine now.
Sean, have you got a mascot?
Yes, I do, Jimmy.
What have you got?
Well, I've got more of a tribute, actually. I'd like to say goodbye to someone who's, you know, been close to me in the past. This is Budgie that died in a taxidermy accident. We thought he was asleep. A big sleeper. He was always asleep. That's why it's called Dozy. This time it had gone on a bit too long. He was taking the piss, really. Been sleeping for a good week. But I thought that was it for a Dozy. And then, one day, right, I saw one of these things hovering near my window. And I thought, maybe I could give Dozy a proper send-off to make up for the times that I neglected him. And I thought it'd be a nice tribute. And they say to me, oh, you can have anything you want. I said, well, I'd like this. I'd like to... Oh.
Well, don't panic, he's already dead.
Well, yeah, but dignity's important. So, and I've chosen his favourite song, so if we can have that. Oh,
I
know. Oh, Joe, I'll hold him there, I'll hold him there. That's it. Just hold it there, guys.
That could not have gone any worse.